Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, this is the second lecture on topic modeling, and in this lecture, we will be using Amazon Fine Food reviews to show the demonstration on topic modeling. So, yeah, in the and so I have downloaded the dataset from Kaggle and saved it in my Google Drive. So, even I have shared the link and written a code to connect my Google Drive with Google Colab and then printed first 5 rows of the dataset. So here we can see that the text column in the dataset contains all the reviews of the product. Then when we look at the size of the data set, so it contains 10 columns and around 5,68,454 rows. So that means this are the number of reviews that we have. That is 5,68,454 reviews we have. So now I want to view the full text. I mean full review text, but yeah, it's not possible in the data frame. So I would like to iterate and print the full view of the text, but definitely it will take time to iterate through the whole data set. So I have randomly taken three indexes and then converted into a data frame and generated and then printed printed three random reviews. So the first review I can see contains keywords like Lara bars, so maybe it's then chocolate bar, so it's all related to some bar, could be chocolate bar, or I'm just imagining this could be the keywords of this can be the keyword of the first review, or how this can be interpreted. The second review, if I go through it talks about hot chocolate and it has given review about hot chocolate. And third review, if I go through, it's something related, so the keyword of or the key central attention should be on the if I go read the whole review, so it's all related to dog. So if I it's a review related to dog because dog licks the roller to get the flavoring, I believe, and it's a review. So if there are any other reviews that are coming up and it has word like dog, then definitely I believe the third review and that review will be clubbed together and it will be represented that okay, this reviews are all about dogs. Similarly, if there is any review related to chocolate or something like chocolate or hot or anything, then this will be clubbed with second text and will form one cluster, and so on how the analysis would be done. So now I have considered only 5,000 reviews for my analysis because it's like taking 5 lakh and 5 lakh reviews will take lots of time on if I want to run the analysis on 5 lakh reviews, and it's computationally expensive as well. So I've just considered 5,000. Then I've installed the required packages, that is sentence transformers and word topic. Then in the next step, I have preferred using the default sentence transformer model that is used by BERTopic, which is all mini LM L6V2. We can also use other sentence transformer models, but I've preferred using all mini LMLs because in this lecture, I will try to train my I will try to cluster my text column using the default parameters of the word topic and then figure it out that how that analysis turns out to be if I keep all the default parameters. And in the next series of lecture we will try to tweak the parameter, maybe the embedding model, or or the parameter related to clustering, or the parameter related to dimensionality reduction. We are going to tweak it and figure it out how the analysis how our analysis changes after doing such small tweaks. So yes, I have used the default embedding model, then initialize the word topic model, and then use the fit transform method to do the to apply all the steps of word topic on our text column. So as verbose has been set as true, so we can see that all the steps have been mentioned, that the first step is embedding, then dimensionality reduction, clustering, and then representation of topics from the clusters. I think this I have theoretically I have discussed in the first lecture, what how word topic performs and what is the framework all about. Now, after training the model, we have used the get topic info function to generate the number of topics that have been predicted by the model. So we can see the number of topics stand around 89. And yeah, the first topic is represented by -1, which we should always avoid because it is -1 denotes an outlier. So we should always avoid an outlier. Then the second topic is, or not second topic, I'll just zeroth topic. We can see it contains words like dog, food, dog. So let me visualize, or let me look at the number of words or the type of words that are there in the zero topic. So get topic is the function that is used to, view the number of topics that number of words that are there in a particular topic. So if I just say okay zero, because I want to see the words that are there in the zero topic. So we can see that it contains words like dog, food, dogs, Newman, he, she, her, my, and to. So these are the number of words, or these are the words that are there. So we can see it contains stop words, because she, he, her, my, and all these are all unnecessary words we just want to avoid. So the topic contains stop words, and we would like to get rid of that. Now let me check what the what the topic one, I mean what the words that topic one contains. So it's all related to chocolate, cocoa, hot cup, cups, Keurig, Grove Square. The so the is again, see, stop word coming into the picture, so you want to get rid of. So yeah, one analysis that we have seen is based on the basic analysis that we have done, that okay, it could the reviews that we have uh, has like the mostly reviewed item, or the food item in the Amazon is all related to dog or breed of dog, right? So this what I am interpreting. Then second could be related to chocolate, hot chocolate or something like that. But yeah, it's better to get rid of, stop words. So what we have done, stop words, you understood what are stop words, like the, and, he, she, like all words which does not give us any meaningful interpretation. So these are all stop words. So wanted to get rid of stop words. So I have fine tune our model. I just remember, I'm fine tuning it. I'm not I'm not using fit transform method, that is, I'm not generating another method, I'm just fine tuning it. So I'll fine tune the model, and let me run this code. And yeah, just while running the code, let me explain that here in finding, I'll remove the stop words, I'll remove all the stop words that are English, and I've also mentioned one more parameter, that is n-gram range equals to 1 and 2. So what do I mean by n-gram range? uh, if I give it as 1 and 2, suppose I have a sentence, I love India. So if I keep the n-gram range as 1, then I will be interpreted as one word, love will be interpreted as another word, India will be interpreted as one more, another one single word, right? But if I say engram in, okay, in addition to one, let us say engram is two as well. So now, in addition to one as single entity, love is single entity, and India as single entity, it will be also represented as I love India, India I. So two words will also be clubbed together and represented as one word or one single entity. Why it is beneficial? Suppose if there are words like New York, okay, so if I represent it as new one word and York one word, then definitely we don't get an idea that okay, New York is a country, right? But if we club New and York together, then we get an idea, okay, here maybe they're talking about New York, so New York is a country. So more, so to have more meaningful interpretation, it's better to keep n-gram range 1 and then 2, just to get meaningful interpretation of the text we have around. So I've just added that, fit the model, sorry, fine tuned the model using uh, by using count vectorizer. And yeah, I've run it. Now let's uh, run here as well. So here again, so number of topics, yeah, it will remain same as previous, right? Previously it was 89, now it will remain as 89 only, because I've not tweaked the, I've not done anything on the model, I've just fine tuned the model, right? So it will not change the model structure. And yes, we can see that we don't have stop words now. Just look at the just look at the outlier section. It doesn't contain stop words, like, right? So now if I try to print it, print the word representation of the first topic, let me run this code. Now you can see it contains dog, dog food, dogs. Oh, see, just see how beautiful it is, right? It contains dog food as well. So now you're more clear, right? That okay, they are talking about food related to dog. But look at the first sentence here. Sorry, first represent the basic representation that I had shown you by not tweaking the anagram parameter. Okay, now we will not get this, right? Because yeah, zero, because now we have already fine tuned it. We should have saved that and then fine tuned it. My bad. But now we'll not get it. But anyhow, did you come across anything related to dog food? No, right? So let me change it to one and figure it out. See how beautiful it is. Hot chocolate, hot cocoa. Right now, it is giving more meaningful interpretation. Okay, so hot word that has been used is refer to chocolate, refer to cocoa. Right now, look at the previous one. There is no, like, there is no two words being clubbed together, though we can say okay, this hot would be related to, hot chocolate, hot cocoa, definitely. But but there is no such representation, right? But here there is a representation, and it is giving us a clear idea that yes, it's they are talking about hot cocoa and hot chocolate. So based on the analysis that we have done so far, what we can conclude is definitely fine tuning our model using count vectorizer has improved our model. Number one, it has removed the stop words. And number three, if I talk about the data set, we can say okay, so if I talk about the food items that have been, reviewed most frequently in the Amazon, is all related to, mainly related to food items related to dog, or maybe it's food items related to hot chocolate, hot cocoa, and so on. So these are my interpretations. Now I'm going to also use this agglomerative clustering chart. So let me run my code, and yeah, just look at the chart. This is also one beautiful way to, you know analyze the topic. So you can see that in the chart there are different colors, right? Red, green. So what I can conclude is, suppose if it's red, then we can say that okay, red colored topics, so topics that correspond to red colors, maybe they are similar, they are somewhat similar in nature. So the distance, because see, text is represented in the form of a vector, and then the distance between vector is calculated to understand which text is similar, or whether two texts are similar or different. So here, if I even if I talk about the red ones, so which topic are more similar? Topic number 16 is more similar to topic number 3, and then and then if we club 16 and 3 together, then it becomes similar to 18. And if we club 18, 16 and 3 together, it becomes similar to 33. That is 33. I'm just mentioning the topic numbers. So this is how you have to interpret about these topics. So suppose here also, if you want to find out topic number 1, so here what, okay, 1, so 1 is all related to hot chocolate, cocoa. So just I want to find out, like, if I let me find out here, like 1 is similar to, oh yeah, 1 is similar to which topic number here? So 1 here is similar to topic number 2, and it's talking about tea, green tea. Okay, let me check why 1 is similar to 2. So 1, we know it's all about hot chocolate, hot cup, hot drink. So let me see why it is similar to. Okay, it's tea, drink, drinking, water, green tea. So they have shown that tea is similar to, because we can interpret, right, hot tea. So yeah, hot chocolate. So tea is a type of drink, chocolate is a type of drink, and that's why they have shown it similar here. Where is the, yeah, so maybe they have shown, and this, when 1 and 2 is clubbed together, it says that it is similar to stevia nuts, stevia naturals, and so on. So yeah, just you need to explore in this way, and you will figure it out. But however, based on our analysis, we can say okay, food items related to dog, food items related to chocolate or hot chocolate, or anything if it is related to hot, so hot tea, green tea, so green tea is hot. So all these food items are being reviewed most frequently in Amazon site. Now this analysis has been based on the default parameters that are uh, there in the word topic. But if we try to make it if we try to tweak the parameters of the word topic and want to customize it, then how are just want I just want to figure it out whether my analysis changes. So that we are going to figure it out in the next lecture.